Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jacqueline. As you can see today, I'm here with very beautiful hair, but it's a little bit frizzy and dry. So you always ask me, oh, what do you put on your hair? What do you put on your wig? So I'll show you today. Yeah, this is a wig. It is a wig. It's a full head. You see, you can see. Okay, let me show you. You see how it is, right? Yeah, it is a full and wig and with baby hair. Yes, it has baby hair like this, the baby hair. Trust me, this hair is beautiful. So what I normally do when I want to style it, this is what I do. So let's do together. So right now I'm here in the bathroom. There's a water over here, so I will just put some cold water. I'll just drip a little bit of cold water in it like this. Yes, some cold water on the hair. You see the beginning how it looks like, so we'll just put we'll wet it a little bit, and then we'll put the cream that I want to show you guys what cream mostly I use for styling my hair. Yes, you can see already, even by touching with water, it's already giving. It's already giving, but wait until we put this cream on. Hey, this cream, it's forever. I don't know this camera if you can see. Maybe I'll put the link of this cream on my link so that you can go and get some for your wig, so that they won't be getting dry, because these wigs are expensive, so you have to take care of them, right? Yeah, so let's see how it looks like. And then you take your fingers through like that, and then now here it is, the cream. It's here. It's very creamy, you can see. Look how it looks like. That's how the cream looks like. So I just scoop a good amount of it, and then I just, like that, I just run it over the hair. Yes, yes, like that, like that. You hold the hair together like that. Guys, it's already giving. It's already giving. Oh my goodness, it is becoming so soft. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can you see? 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 Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Can you imagine? Huh? I haven't put any oil on it for a while, and this hair doesn't even shed. Can you believe? So I'll just, oh, look how creamy it is. Look. My gosh. I'll put a little bit more just to show you. And then we'll put a little here, because it can't be crusty over here too, right? Yeah, it has to be curry. My goodness. Hey. Wow. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Even you touch the hinges too. You know, these little baby hairs. Yeah, he has to be beautiful too. Wow. Hey. Look. Look. Look at that hair. Girls. Are you kidding me? Wow. Look, you can't even tell it's a, and this hair, you don't need even race, or you don't need no glue. It's a wig. It is. Is it a wig or a weave or whatever it is called? So I just put it a little bit over here, and it's really secure, and because it has that thing at the end, you cannot even tell. Oh, let me just bring this one a little here. Wow, look. Huh? Don't know if you can see properly. Look. Darn, this thing is making noise. Wow. Hmm? Look, guys. Look. Can you? Yeah. This one was, I think, 16 inch or something. 16 inch. Yes. Wow. And even you can put spray if you want, but I don't want to put no spray. Why do I need spray? For what? Look. It's this, and the good thing with this cream, This cream, I have to tell you what it's called. It's called MAUI Moisture. MAUI Moisture, right? That's the one. And I got it from, not from Timo. No, I got it from Amazon. So, and it's for any color hair. And even if I put on my natural hair, my gosh, it exactly looks exactly like this. Can you believe it? Can you believe this? Huh? Wow. Yeah. Let me try to see if I can partition this hair on the sideways, because I never tried it before. Maybe this side? Let's see. No, this side. I think the left side, right? Yes, guys. Let's try and put this here, this side, and see how it looks like. This here you have to be. Let's see how it looks like. I've never partitioned it on the side. Different style, or you know. Wow. Hey, you should get yourself one for sure. Can you believe this? And then you just put a little bit of the cream again, just for it to stand out, right? Yeah. I don't want to use the comb like to get that thing over there, because I don't want to mess the mineral partitioning of it. But why not? Let me even do the sideways. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, where are the bangs? I love bangs. Maybe I should carry it over here. Oh, I like when people put the hair on the high like that and they look on it like that. Being goofy, like kind of. Yeah. My goodness. I love it. I love this. Wow. Wow. Ciao, please. This one even you don't need to put any pin or anything, because it just whatever how you put it, it goes there. That's how it goes. Do I look like Portia or something? Yes. And you can't even see here, like, because it has the baby hair. The baby, it comes with the baby hair, and they can't pre-cut. You don't have to cut nothing. You don't have to do nothing. If you want to know where I got this, just on the comment section, tell me to message you privately, and then I'll let you know where I got this and how much it was. And it's human hair. You can wash it. You saw me dipping water in it, and it's still intact. Can you tell? Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So guys, I have to go because I was on my way. I'm going to a party now. I'm cold. I don't like combing my hairs, but I do have a comb to comb it, but it's a wide tooth comb. But right now, I'll just leave it as it is. Can you tell? Look, look, eh? The baby hair. Look, seriously, nobody can tell it's a wig. It is a wig. It is a wig. You see? It's a wig. Nobody can tell. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. And wow. And God didn't give me a big forehead, thank you Lord, because sometimes when you have a big forehead and you have a wig, it comes up to here. What can you do if you have a big forehead? Anyway, you just take whatever. Let me see how I'm gonna look with my glasses. It looks good, but I don't need them today, so I'll just go show up my hair. That style is it's nice too, but yeah, mostly I normally use the other one, but I like the bangs, so that I'll put there like either side eye, right? Beautiful. Okay, so guys, that's good for today. I just said, let me come and show you this beautiful hair and this beautiful. No, my thing was to come and show you this cream, because sometimes I see people with crunchy wigs, dry crunchy wigs. Go get yourself this, and it's less than $10. Go and get yourself. Look good, girl. What are you waiting for? I'll see you again on the next one. You want to say hello? Come say hi. Come say hi. I'm finishing the video. Say hello, guys. Hi, guys. Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
You like my hair? You like it? She don't like it. She think it's a wig.
Hey.
You like it? Say, I love it, mommy. When mommy looks good, you have to tell mommy she looks good. You look fabulous. I love your hair too. It's cute. Let's take a thumbnail. Peace.